नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में। बैंकिंग अपडेट्स में पहला आपको जो पहला टॉपिक है वो मद्रास हाई कोर्ट डायरेक्ट्स यूनियन बैंक टू रिव्यू ट्रांसफर पॉलिसी, वार्न्स अगेंस्ट मैकेनिकल ट्रांसफर impacting women employees' rights. Transfer of employees cannot be carried out in a mechanical or burdensome manner. The Madras High Court has observed there must be a balance between administrative requirements and the personal safety, family responsibilities, and well-being of the employees. Justice C.V. Karthikeyan said in a case challenging the Union Bank of India's staff transfer policy. According to judge, the transferring staff, particularly women, from one state to another, disregarding the well-being of their children, themselves suffering from life-threatening medical conditions, family responsibilities or safety concern in the new workplace could violate Article 21 of the Constitution, which protects human dignity. The petition was filed by All India Union Bank Officers Staff Association, which contended the bank's transfer policy disappropriately affected women employees. और नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फाइंड बाई ₹1.66 lakhs बाई आरबीआई। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने यूनियन बैंक पर 1.66 लाख का फाइन लगाया। The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of ₹1.66 lakh of Union Bank of India. The lender informed exchanges on Saturday. This is because of the discrepancies observed in the bank's soiled note remittance to RBI and ATM cash out, the exchange filing said. Next बात करते हैं कि Enforcement of Directorate arrests former UCO Bank chairman श्री सुबोध कुमार गोयल इन दिल्ली इन बैंक फ्रॉड केस। यूको बैंक के सीएमडी चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर जो भूतपूर्व श्री सुबोध कुमार गोयल को ईडी ने उनके दिल्ली निवास स्थान से अरेस्ट किया। द ईडी हैज अरेस्टेड फॉर्मर यूको बैंक सीएमडी सुबोध कुमार गोयल इन कनेक्शन विद एन एलिज्ड ₹6,200 crore bank fraud case. The Enforcement Directorate has arrested former UCO Bank CMD Subodh Kumar Goyal from his residence in New Delhi in connection with a probe against Concast Steel and Power Limited (CSPL) and others in an alleged bank fraud case. He was brought before the Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) court in Calcutta on May 17th and has been sent to him to ED custody till May 21, the agency said in statement. ऐसा समझा जाता है कि इस फ्रॉड केस में मनी डाइवर्जन का केस था, जो कि स्टील कंपनी ने अपने मनी को डाइवर्ट किया था। फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट में चलते चलते SBI कट्स फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट रेट्स बाई 20 bps. The cut in interest rate on retail domestic term deposit below ₹3 crores is applicable for both general public and senior citizen as per the bank's website. As per the bank website, the cut in interest rates on a retail domestic term deposits below 3 crores is applicable for both general and the senior citizen. Deposits for 2 years to less than 3 years gives the maximum interest to investors at 6.7%, followed by 3 years to less than 5 years, which gives 6.55% interest from May 16. Fixed deposit for 5 years to 10 years now get interest at the 6.30% for general public, while it is 6.50% for deposits of duration 1 year to less than 2 years. The interest rate for the specific tenor scheme Amrit Vrishti 444 days has also been revised from 7.05% to 6.85% effective May 16, 2025. Senior citizens and super senior citizens aged above 80 years are eligible for their additional benefits in the rate of interest. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।